So we've arrived at Kirstenbosch Garden. We're gonna have a park date, a hike. You should be able to see what we're rocking. The full outfits. We've got the shades. I've got the cotton on cape. I've got the body vest for breathability. I've got the decathlon vest. I've got the Puma fitted shorts. I love these. And then I've got the black socks and Puma seasons, like for all seasons, anyways.
I'm wearing Total Sports for this top and Total Sports for the tights, cotton on the socks, and then this Puma cap. I don't know what it's called exactly, but this Puma cap and these Puma Velocities.
And then we've actually got a big bag with us. Like imagine it's quite it's quite heavy because it's got our water, it's got some of our equipment. The idea is for us to have one big bag where instead of having several bags with us, we just have one. And then also we've got the camera just for those old shots. We're gonna go and get the tickets and then get ready for the park. It's actually quite busy today. There's a lot of tourists and a lot of people, but hopefully we got a vibe with it. So the member's got a guide. The guide kind of shows you where you're supposed to go, some of the information, why is it
Hey, look.
So right now we're one of the spots that people usually come through for like concerts or and stuff. So you can see there's actually quite a good setup here. And for me, what I love though, just apart from where they've got the wall like space, is just that there's just the view is amazing. You can see from where I'm at, there's like a crazy steep gradient, and along with the trees that we have, it's just beautiful, to be honest with you. I don't know if I would come here for the concerts more so than I would come for the views, because I love just being in nature. I love the landscape, and just look at what God created though. Like, she's just beautiful. So yeah. Rue is actually sitting down. She's just getting a breather, but I'm the only one that's quite here now. So we're pretty much tired. I think the heat is what's killing us. Good enough, we actually brought there's this USN Winners Energy. So it's got a bit of, it's not really enough electrolytes, but it does have a little bit of electrolytes as well as sugars. So it does help with the energy wise. But the heat is the heat is peak. It is peak. I'm not sure how many degrees. I think they'll be appearing on the screen how many degrees it is currently. It's just really, really tough. So right now the idea that we have is to go through. So we've already done the tree canopy walkway, and we're just gonna check the sun shoulders, and then we go through number 24. That is a farm. I think that's fynbos garden. Demonstrates our fynbos. I'm not sure if it's fynbos or if it's fynbos. I don't know how to. Fynbos, yeah. So it's Afrikaans, yeah. So fynbos garden. So we want to check the proteus by number 14, and then we come via 16, and then we do 20, 12, 5, and then we come back to the concert. Yeah, so I think we're gonna check the copy, useful plants, and then come all the way via Matthew's Rockery, so we can go back to the concert. I'm not sure if you can hear, but it's quite big today. It's really busy, and I think there's a concert, right?
They're prepping.
Yeah, for a show. So it's, to be honest, this environment is just a gateway. To be honest with you, you can just come here, take a chill, just sit down, read a book, meditate. It's just really good, to be honest. So we're also gonna go to the garden. I'm gonna play some cards, eat a bit of snacks, and then before we go to the concert lawn. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Why did we do that at the same time?
That's beautiful. Okay, when you come to this side, make sure that you have something that's repellent. Run away by Peninsula Garden. But whenever you come to Kirstenbosch, please try to, apart from just sunscreen, try to have something like a fan with you, like a portable fan, and try to just have two things: sunscreen and your mosquito repellent. Obviously, get some water, and all that. But yeah, that's very important because some of the heat was really intense. Now we're just pretty much chilled.
Hey, look. Labels blowing up my line and got me missing calls. Told her you ain't gotta hit me till you.
So we've finished right now, and we're just about to go look for a restaurant. We're thinking ramen, so we might go to Mr. Lin's. So we've just arrived right now by Mr. Lin's. We were thinking ramen. We're like, let's do some ramen. We just finished right now at Mr. Lin's. Had a pad thai, a chili ramen, and then classic
Japanese ramen.
Yeah, we really loved it. Hers was a bit blunt though. I think maybe that's just the basics of it, right? And she had to put a little bit of chili, which she unfortunately put too much. She managed to finish the food. Right now we're just taking a walk, kind of like to just digest. So this is Lower Main. Lower Main is quite busy. It's an always busy area. We're so far now on a Friday, such as this one. We're quite tied up. Unfortunately, I'm brown skinned, so you might not be able to see me in this. I can't even see myself though. So
We love a self-awakening.
yeah. So right now we're just taking a walk, kind of like to just digest. We're going by KFC. We want an ice cream, so